JC Technology, as a leader in Taiwan UAV field, always focuses on and fully satisfies the needs of customers. Our services include UAV design, manufacturing, maintenance, technology transfer and whole factory export, an advanced automated inspection process to ensure the quality and excellent performance of your drones. We have a number of UAV cases around the world and have achieved a feat of data and image transmission over 150 kilometers. We also have a large flight training school, which can provide customers with the best pilot training services. The Flyingfish Suicide Drone Sniper is our classic product. It is lightweight and can carry a total of 300 to 400 grams of explosives including the detonation device, and can fly up to 20 kilometers in distance, and its operation is very easy. Your soldiers can complete operational training within 15 to 30 minutes and then go into combat. Sniper is especially suitable for swarm attack. You can also use a large number of flying fish to form a FAS. Flying fish array system to protect your borders and coastline. If you have a large number of flying fish needs and enough budget, we can also provide customized services for you. JC Technology, your peacemaker.